Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home heating with the Lasko AR122 Thermasmart ceramic tower heater. Let's see if this little tower packs a big punch. First things first, let's talk setup. Getting the AR122 up and running was a breeze. Just a few simple steps and you're good to go. Plus, it's got this sleek design that fits seamlessly into any room. Now, let's talk features. The AR122 isn't your average space heater. It's Wi-Fi enabled, which means you can control it from anywhere using your phone. And with voice control support for Alexa and Google Assistant, you can adjust the temperature without lifting a finger. But the real magic happens when you turn it on. This thing kicks out some serious heat. In just 10 minutes, it brought my chilly office up to a toasty 81 degrees. Plus, with 3 preset heating modes and a target temperature setting, you've got plenty of options to find your perfect comfort level. Now, let's talk safety. One of the biggest concerns with space heaters is the risk of fire or tipping over. But not with the AR122. It's packed with safety features, including automatic shutdown and push alerts if it's knocked over or overheats. And with a motion sensor that turns off the heater when the room is empty, you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. The Lasko AR122 Thermasmart ceramic tower heater gets a big thumbs up from me. With its combination of powerful heating, smart features, and top-notch safety, it's a must-have for anyone looking to stay warm and cozy this winter. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this one. Stay warm, folks.